Practice paper set to calculator questions 8wards. PQR is a straight line. P is 511. R is 16 minus 3. So we've got, let's draw a nice axis. Negative 5, 11. There's P. R is 16, negative 3. So R is 16, negative 3. Beautifully to scale there. Here's our line along there. PQ to QR is in the ratio 3 to 4. Okay, so I'm going to first work out the length of PR. Okay, PR is equal to 14 squared plus 21 squared, which from my calculator, 196 plus 441, I hope, which means that PR is equal to 25.2 to 3 SF. Okay. Alright. So we know that it's going to be shared in the ratio of 3 to 4. So let's divide it by 7, times it by 3, divide it by 7, times it by 4. So PR over 7 times 3 is equal to 10.82 for significant figures. Okay, so now I can work out, so Q is somewhere here, and that is 10.82. Alright, let's, I guess, work out the RQ, length of RQ, so we've got PR over 7 times 4, which is 14.42. Having done all of that, it strikes me an easier way to work this problem out would be to apply the same thinking to this side here. So we've got 3 and 4 there, and then the same thinking to that side there, and I should come up with those two answers, and it would be considerably easier than what I was about to try. Okay, so let's do that. We've got from 10 to negative 3, from 11 to negative 3 is 14. 14 divided by 7 times 3 equals 6. So I think that is 6 and that is 8. And 21 divided by 7 times 3 is 9. So this should be 9, and that should make this here into 12. Okay, so just check, 6 squared plus 9 squared is 81 plus 36. So that's 10, works. Alright, so we are 6 below p, which is 5 on the y-axis, and we are 9 to the right of p, which should take us to 4. That could have been written much faster. Question 9. Sue is walking due north from A to C. The bridge between B and C is closed. She has to walk along the paths BD and DC instead. Work out how much farther Sue has to walk. So it's going to be a cosine rule to work out the length of the bridge. So A, B, C, A squared equals 85 squared plus 72 squared minus 2 times 85 times 72 cosine 40, and substitute all that into my calculator, and then don't forget to square root. Okay, so A squared is 3033 for SF, and A is equal to 55 to SF. Alright, 85 plus 72 is 157. 157 minus 55 is 102. How much farther does she have to walk? She has to walk an extra 102 meters to the nearest whole number, so 2 0 decimal places. Okay, question 10. Simplify fully. So I want to factorise the top and bottom and then cancel out common factors if I can. X is a common factor on the top, so x brackets 9x squared minus 16 over 2 is a common factor on the bottom, so 3x plus 4. Square number, square number, square number, subtraction, so x 3x plus 2 plus 4, sorry, square root of 16 is 4, 3x minus 4 divided by 2, 3x plus 4, so those are in common, and that's it. So it's x 3x minus 4 over 2. Question 11. The nth term of sequence x is an plus b. The nth term of sequence y is bn plus a. Show that the sequences have the same first term. Well, first term when n equals 1, so we've got 1a plus b, and y is 1b plus a, which is equal to a plus b, is equal to a plus b. The second term of sequence x is equal to the third term of sequence y. Show that a equals 2b. So we've got the second term of sequence x, so we've got 2a plus b is equal to the third term of sequence y, so we've got 3b plus a, and then minus b minus a, so we will get a equals 2b. Prove that the nth term of sequence x divided by the nth term of sequence y is the same, is equal to 2n plus 1 over n plus 2. Okay, so we have a n plus b over b n plus a. Let's substitute in a equals 2b. Okay, so we've got 2bn plus b over bn plus 2b. B is a common factor on the top and the bottom, so we get 2n plus 1 all times by b, and we get n plus 2 all times by b. B is a common factor, so it cancels out, which is equal to 2n plus 1 over n plus 2, as we wanted.